In this video, I will be showing you how to use Amplenote tutorial for beginners. So let's get started. First, you just have to go to any web browser and type Amplenote. This is what it looks like. Now, what is this Amplenote I'm talking about? With Amplenote, users can efficiently organize their thoughts, actions, and ideas with a sophisticated note-taking and task management tool. Users may simply record ideas, make notes, store documents, and work with others on projects when they use Amplenote. It has several features, including as tools for project and task management and the ability to tag, search, and filter data. So to start, tap to start your free trial. And then here, what you're going to do is to log in or type your email address, your password. But actually, you can also sign up using your Google account. So all you have to do is to click this sign up, which what I did for me to create an account here in Ample Notes. So tap the sign up with Google and then tap your Google account again. Okay, verify that this is the Google account that you're using to sign up with Ample Note. Wait for a couple of seconds and then tap continue again. Then it's it. You can now see the interface and the features of Ample Note. So this is what it looks like. Now, as you can see, we have here features beside and we have here drafts, we have here notes, task, calendar, graph. We have also here shortcuts, daily charts, tags, references, and to do. So each of these features right here has its own use. But before that, let's proceed first with the settings when we tap your name. So we have here account settings. Under account settings, you will see here your email address, just in case you want to change your email address here. Also with the password, you can change your password and have this two-step verification. If you want to link your account, you can see it right here. Also with recent sessions, you can log out if you don't want this account to be logged into other device, and you can also delete your account. You can see it here on account and password. Okay, so let's go to API access. If you tap this, you will see the API integration and API account. For appearance, you will see here appearance mode, first day of the week, task completion effects, and theme. You can change your theme here if you want. So everything is up to you. You can see it here on appearance. Apps and devices. If you want to download this to your device, you can go to apps and devices. We have here import and export. If you want to import notes and export notes, you can see it right here. Also, you can invite your friends. All you have to do is to copy this link and share it to them. You can share via Twitter or email. And here in your personal profile, you can add your image and change your full name. For plugins, you can add plugins, install plugins. And again, you can share Ample Note. You just have to copy this link. You can share a testimonial and then submit the testimonial. Okay. For subscription, you will see here your monthly billing and next payment, and also task calendar. You will see here, or you can add here any reminder. If you want to click this Google Calendar, Outlook Calendar, you can do that here under task calendar. Now, if you want to find plugins to add to your Ample Note, you just have to go to find plugins, and we have here, or they have here 49 plugins to choose from. All you have to do is to click and add it to your Ample Note. So this is what it looks like. If you scroll down here, you will see more information about this Ample Note. Okay, so now going back, if you want also to change the mode, like if you want light mode or dark mode, you can just go to dark mode if you want. And then again, for public profile, which I showed earlier, you can change your name right here. Okay, you can add a picture right here about me, everything about you. You can add your social media account. Okay, and then after that, don't forget to tap Save Changes. Okay, so that is in your public profile. Okay, so next we have here, I think we have discussed it earlier. If you want to share your Apple Note, if you want to ask a help, go to Help Center. If you see some conflicts and problems, you just have to go to Help Center, and you can also log out your account, click log out. So like I mentioned earlier, we have here the features such as Jots. Okay. So the first thing here is this Jots. What is this Jots in Ample Note? So Jots is excellent if you're attempting to quickly compose a paper or if you just need a scratch pad for an urgent situation. We have here a notes. The purpose of notes mode is to refine the raw gems you made in Jots mode so they can be digested by the outside world. It does this by providing a full per note action menu, formatting toolbar, and multiple tag support. We have here tasks. Amplenote regards tasks as first class citizens. Every work is included within a note. Amplenote tasks start within individual notes, including those made in the Jots view. However, the task view mode in the leftmost navigation pane is the recommended method for viewing task lists in Amplenote. So this is what it looks like. Okay, so you can repeat, start at, hide until a task here. But this is what it looks like. You can even change the format with bold, italic. You can add URL, you can add image, you can undo, and so on. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Okay, so the idea execution funnel's fourth step is Ample Notes Calendar. You can use the drag and drop feature to arrange your most crucial task on your calendar. You will examine how to use the Ample Note Calendar on a desktop computer in this part. Okay, so if you have any seminars or any meetings, you just have to go to calendar and then add something here, and it will remind you. It depends on how you'll be reminded. So this is what it looks like. You can add task and any situation or events here under calendar features. And if you tap this three dots here, you will see the options like open schedule, completed task, and so on. Okay, so moving on, let's know what is this graph or graph view here. The easiest visual method to sort and navigate through hundreds or thousands of nodes is with graph view. Click the graph, open a new button to see your own personal web of wisdom. A connection is formed every time you take notes and choose to attach one another. Providing a useful graph you like, or even better than infograms like the brain or etc., will propel Apple not to a distinct and leading position in the market. Additionally, as users, we would receive the much needed visual presentation of all the links among notes, projects, objectives, and etc. So that's it. Now below tags, we have here other features and all you have to do is to explore. Okay, so when you tap this one right here, like references, you can see all of the information when you scroll down below. Same thing with this daily charts. Okay, so they have the same use under Impulse Notes. So if you want to create a new chart here, all you have to do is to click this and then we have here untitled note. So you can write any note here, for example, a journey. And then don't forget to add tags so that people or viewers can easily find it if you have your tags. So this is what it looks like. And if you want to start with your note, then all you have to do is to enter some words here or text. And then after that, above you can see here format and tools such as if you want to change it to bold, italic, if you want to add some URL or links, and if you want to add images, you just have to tap it right here. So all the tools are right here. So you just have to explore and click the one you like to use or add. Okay, so you can type anything here. And if you want to, explore more, all you have to do is to simply click other options on the left side. If you tap this three dots, you will see your publish, note, and other features. Like if you want to invite someone, all you have to do is to copy this or add their email address and then send it to them. You can share this also to anyone or any other social media platforms. All you have to do is to copy the link, like what I've mentioned earlier. So you have to try it for yourself to see how wonderful is this Apple Note. Okay, and if you found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.